topic of our workshop is transportation with special reference to canoes. The title of our workshop is Cruzin Waʻa. Our activity will help Haumāna to have a better understanding of transportation. In this workshop, Haumāna will learn a brief history of the waʻa, their parts, and their role in the overall evolution of kānaka. The Haumāna will complete a hands-on activity of creating their own canoe out of water bottles and popsicle sticks.
This workshop will teach the Haumāna about making a waʻa and why it was important in regards to transportation in ancient Hawaii. And it will also teach about the connection that kānaka have with their waʻa.
The Haumāna will be working hands-on and making their own waʻa. Haumāna will be given a paper and instructional video to help them put together their own working waʻa.
This workshop will teach the Haumāna about the parts of the waʻa, navigational methods used for transportation, and reasons why our kupuna built these waʻa. Putting the Haumāna into the perspective of our kupuna and letting them see firsthand the creativity and ingenuity needed to make a waʻa. Without the waʻa, our people would not have been able to sail to and from the different islands, eventually leading them to navigate across the vast Pacific Ocean on a worldwide voyage. It is a vital part of the development of our Hawaiian culture.